anybody picking him up. He likes to be independent.
I think that's good. He's got his own way of doing things. He likes to take care of himself.
I guess you're right.
He's so funny. He always makes me laugh.
I guess he has a good sense of humor.
Yeah, I bet he's a lot of fun.
Grandpa always tells us he'll get here by himself.
He's something.
In my opinion, he's a very special man. What do you think?
Well, I believe I'm gonna like him, but...
But what?
Won't he miss being in Florida?
Well, he will, but I think he'll like being here with the family.
I suppose he'll miss his home in Florida and his independence.
I suppose you're right. But what about you? What do you think? What kind of man is Grandpa? What do you imagine he's like?
Why is he moving away from Florida? And how does he feel about moving to Riverdale?
What do you think?
Let's see.